What exit strategies are available for a pop-up drink stand owner? The main paths are selling the stand as a turnkey business, licensing your recipes and branding to another operator, folding the stand into a larger catering or event company, or simply shutting down and liquidating the equipment for cash. Think of your pop-up drink stand like a lemonade stand that grew up. When you started, you probably just wanted to make some money and have fun, but now that it is running smoothly, you have real choices about what happens next. Selling the stand as a turnkey business means someone else pays you for the recipes, the equipment, and the customer list, so they can start running it the very next day without guessing what works. Licensing is a bit different because you keep ownership of your brand and recipes, but you let someone else use them in a new location while you collect a fee, kind of like renting out your secret sauce instead of giving it away. Something most people do not know is that many small drink stand owners get folded into bigger catering companies because those companies want a proven, fun product to add to weddings and festivals without building one from scratch. If you go this route, having clean sales records for at least the past 12 months makes your stand far more attractive, since buyers want proof it actually makes money before they hand over cash. One common mistake is undervaluing the brand name and social media following, so before you sell or license anything, get a real appraisal that includes those digital assets, not just the cart and blender. Another issue is walking away from contracts too fast, since events booked months in advance can either scare off buyers or become a bonus selling point. So review every commitment before you talk numbers. Finally, many owners forget to plan for taxes on the sale, so talk to an accountant early so the check you receive is not smaller than you expected. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.